Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting for all of you Roblox fans. We're talking about 99 Nights in the Forest, and yes, this video is packed with free codes, free items, and free diamonds. So let's jump right in. First, open 99 Nights in the Forest. Once you're in, tap the diamond icon on your screen. Scroll down and you'll see an option called Code. This is where you'll enter the codes I'm about to share. Just paste them in, hit submit, and boom! The diamonds will instantly appear in your account. Now pay close attention. These codes aren't just for diamonds. Later in this video, I'll also share some gem codes. So stick with me, because you don't want to miss a single one. Before I reveal the first code, do 3 quick things. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your Roblox username below. I'll be picking a few random gamers to send free diamonds as gifts. The sooner you comment, the better your chances. I'm serious. Drop your username right now. I'll personally check, and if you're lucky, you'll get some diamonds from me. And one last thing. At the end of this video, I have a special secret code that almost nobody knows about. So stay tuned, because it's definitely worth it. Alright, now let's get to the main part. The codes. Make sure to type them exactly as I show you. Even one wrong letter can make a code invalid. Watch carefully and try each code inside the game. These codes are working right now, but they could expire at any moment, so redeem them as fast as you can. If you see a success message, congratulations, those diamonds are all yours. And remember, I upload new codes every week, so make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on to never miss an update. That's all for today. Go claim your free rewards. Enjoy 99 Nights in the Forest. Like the video, subscribe, and drop your Roblox username below. I'll see you in the next one.